Hi friends, I'm Keizle, and in today's video, I'm going to share to you ways on how to create a better digital planner for yourself, and I will also be showing to you the process on how I designed and created my April digital planner. So without further ado, let's begin. Before I tell you how to level up your digital planner creation game, I just want to talk about the creation process of my April digital planner. So I already created this sketch for the design of the digital planner, and today I will be doing the line works, adding the colors, and creating the actual digital planner. For the design element, I'm using the Procreate app to create the illustration. And this is the first tip on leveling up your digital planner creation game. Add your art. It doesn't have to be a complex type of art. It doesn't have to take you days to create it. But if you are like me, we do take days to complete a design element. But yeah, add your art, add your style. It is a different feeling when you are journaling at night or planning in the morning and you see your art right there. It is motivating for me to see the art, which kind of symbolizes my previous accomplishment, which is that I finished an artwork. That it took a lot of effort and time to create it, but I was able to finish the artwork. It gives me this extra drive to also accomplish the things that I want to do for the day. The second tip is to know your necessary pages and then add them. Necessary pages are the pages you use every single time. This will be different for everyone, but if you want a guide on how to determine it for yourself, let me know in the comment section below so I can create it for you. So for me, I have 4 necessary pages. These are the overview page, the calendar page, the journaling page, and lastly, the planning page, which are sometimes a weekly page or a daily page depending on my mood. For the April digital planner, it will be a weekly page because it has been a while since I made a weekly page and I want to try it again. And that is the third tip, which is to take inspiration from your previous digital planners. I used to think that I need to create a completely new, out-of-the-box digital planner, but I realized that I can just jumble and combine the different setups I have created in my previous digital planners and create a relatively new digital planner. And an advantage of this is that you already use that setup, which means you already know whether it works for you or not. Or you already have an idea on how to make it better so that it benefits you more. Sometimes just adding a small change to the setup can make your digital planner better. And also, it is okay to reuse your designs. Why fix if it's not broken, right? The fourth tip is to not be afraid to try something new. Although I told you not to fix what is not broken, and you might already know your necessary pages and what works for you, but since you are watching this video, I would assume that you want to level up your digital planner creation game. And to level it up, you have to be open to other possibilities. Remember that there is always a room for improvement. So experiment on a new design element, on a new page orientation, a new layout. Try something new. It doesn't have to be a drastic change. You can try adding small changes and see if they help you. And those small changes, if they add up over time, would look like a drastic change, but it wasn't. And with these small changes, you are also adding those to your design library where you can pull from again in the future when it's time to design a digital planner again, which will make the designing process in the future a little faster and easier. The fifth tip on how to create a better digital planner is to design beforehand. Plan on how to create your digital planner, the page layouts, what sections to add, what to remove, the design elements, all of that. You have to know the basic structure of your digital planner before you even start creating. Because if you have a plan for your digital planner, not only that the creation process will be easier, but it also makes the entire design more cohesive. So make sure to plan your digital planner. And if you have reached this part of the video, make sure to comment "Plan your digital planner" in the comment section below. Number 6 on the list of tips on how to create better digital planners is to add hyperlinks. I think links are an essential part of digital planners because compared to the traditional physical notebooks, you cannot really add physical objects in between pages to remind you where the different sections of the planner are located. This means that you have to strategically add hyperlinks in your digital planner. I said strategically because if you overdo it, the digital planner may lag when you are already using it, and we always try to minimize that. We want the digital planner to be used seamlessly and lag-free. And if we do the opposite of overdoing it, which is to add just a few hyperlinks, we run the risk of not optimizing the capabilities of the digital planner. This is why the fifth tip, which is to design the digital planner beforehand, is very important along with the other tips. And this tip is the most important tip, which is to know your why. Why do you want to level up your digital planning creation game? Knowing your why makes the implementation process easier, and knowing your reason makes you more likely to apply and do the other tips. So make sure that before you do anything, you have a good reason why you are going to do it. Be intentional. If you want to see more digital planner creation process and setups, I will link the playlist of those videos in the description box below. So make sure to check them out after watching this. If this is helpful for you and want more videos like this, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when new videos are uploaded. And if you have other tips on how to create a better digital planner, make sure to comment them down below so that others can learn too. I'm Keizle, and until next time, bye!